This is homemade dry fish for your Nigerian soup, Mangala. If you don't have Mangala, if you don't have dry fish in your house, you can make it from scratch. Just buy fresh fish and make it at home. Welcome once again to my channel. It's me, Greg Lama, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own dry fish for your Nigerian soup. You can use any fish of your choice, but I advise you don't use tuna, the one we call scumbia, because it has too much oil. In this video I use tilapia, codfish and catfish. What you just need to do is cut all the fish, place everything on the oven rack and place into the oven to roast until they are dry. Yes, I placed all the fish together, but I was removing the small ones, the codfish and the tilapia fish, because they dried earlier than the catfish. Make sure you place an oven pan underneath the rack to collect all the water and oil that will come out from the fish. Don't forget that, it is very important. Roast until the fish is dried and remove and use immediately. You can store, you can keep it and use it for months. Just keep it in an open place where it will get fresh air, and you have your dry fish, your Mangala, ready for your soup. That is the end of today's video. See you in the next one. Remember to stay hydrated. Love you.